Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Do you suffer from issue brought on by hormonal imbalance? PCOS or polycystic ovary syndrome is a condition that causes hormone imbalances and metabolism issue in women. Research shows that 1 out of every 10 women experiences this condition. PCOS can lead to the development of other serious health concerns like diabetes, depression, heart diseases, and an increased risk of cancer. The actual cause of PCOS is not known, but the symptoms included pelvic pain, thinning of hair, weight gain, unwanted hair growth, infertility, and irregularity in the menstrual cycle. Making the right changes to your diet should be the first step when you are diagnosed with the polycystic ovary syndrome. In today's video, we will be talking about some natural ways to balance your hormones. Number 1. Eat healthy. Eat healthy fats. What fats should not you avoid fats like the plague? Not really, your body needs healthy fats for optimal functioning. Otherwise, there are high chances you will end up with hormonal imbalance. Including healthy fats in your diet helps reduces insulin resistance. It balances hormones that affect your appetite, metabolism, and the feeling of satiety because they promote the absorption of fat soluble vitamin A and D and K. These fats may reduce insulin resistance in obese and diabetic people. You can get medium chain fatty acids from coconut oil. Number 2. Exercise. Whether you like it or not, physical exercise has multiple benefits and promotes a healthy hormonal balance in your order. To get your endocrine system to work efficiently, exercising regularly may really helps exercises and a beneficial in increasing insulin sensitivity, reducing insulin levels in the blood. Exercises like aerobic endurance resistance and strength training have a positive impact on your hormonal health. Including physical exercises in your daily routine may also assist levels of muscle maintaining hormones like testosterone that decline the age otherwise so however. Number 3. No binging, no starving. Eating too much or too little can lead to a hormonal imbalance that may also result in weight fluctuations. Overreacting impairs the brain insulin function and reduces insulin sensitivity, making you prone to several health issues. It can also cause metabolic problems in the long term. Blink. Eating has been linked to damage caused by oxidative stress. Even short term overeating has been linked to insulin resistance. By experts, decreasing your calorie intake can drastically triggers your body to release the stress hormone cortisol. High cortisol levels lead to rapid weight gain, muscle weakness, high blood pressure, and several other symptoms. So, if you wish to maintain healthy hormone levels, tailor your diet carefully. No being eating, no starving. Number 4. Green tea. Everything about this healthy beverage is pure love. If you want a wonderful hormonal imbalance, stick to green tea. Green tea contains metabolism boosting caffeine along with an antioxidant called EGCG, which offers several health benefits. Experts suggest that drinking green tea promotes insulin sensitivity and lower insulin levels and health. People not to mention it reduces insulin resistance. Are you considering following any of these tips? Do you follow any of these tips? I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please follow and subscribe our channel.